Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to talk about the touch sampling rate comparison between all of these three smartphones which I've got right now. So first is the iQOO Z3, second is the Realme X7 Max, and third is the iQOO 7 device. So this iQOO Z3 and the Realme X7 Max are my recently added into the list which I'm trying to test in these both phones. And let's compare friends which phone has got the what type of touch sampling rate and which is kind of really better in terms of the touch sampling rate. That's what I'm going to show you in this entire video. So try to watch till end of the video friends to get to know the results. And let's get started by using these two applications which I'm going to test in all these three smartphones. So first, touch multi-touch, which I'm trying to test this application. So let's see which phone has got what kind type of performance. You're seeing this kind of game boosters in two phones, which is the iQOO Z3 and iQOO 7. The reason is because the touch sampling rate in the iQOO 7 smartphones will be higher only while gaming. Yes friends, only while gaming you can actually get the higher touch sampling rate in this both phones. So if you're trying to use the normal applications, you don't get the high touch sampling rate. So that is the reason I did add this touch application into the ultra game mode which is present in the iQOO 7 and iQOO Z3. So same thing I did apply to the Realme as well. I thought that when some other manufacturer they may be adding this kind of method. That is the reason I did add into the game space the touch sampling rate application. Now let's test which phone has got how much kind of number. The company is claiming in the iQOO Z3 is about 180 Hz, and right now I'm getting close to 300 and 310 Hz, as you can see friends. So you need to minus the 120 Hz refresh rate as well. So overall you'll be getting about close to 190 and 180 only. So whatever the company is claiming in this iQOO Z3, you are getting the same kind of touch sampling rate. So no other problems, as you can clearly see friends. So 1 finger, 2 fingers and 3 fingers. I'm trying to use 4 and 5 fingers as well. You can see you're getting the same kind of touch sampling rate as normal, 300 Hz. So let's check in the Realme X7 Max. So this is a Realme X7 Max. This is only one phone which I'm having currently, which doesn't actually equal to the what is company is claiming. The company is Realme claiming that the phone can actually reach up to 360 Hz, but right now I'm getting in the application 360 only. But 360 you need to do the minus with the refresh rate on the top of that. So I'm using the 120 Hz refresh rate and I'm getting only 360 Hz, as you can see, touch sampling rate. You can clearly see friends. So if I decrease the refresh rate, you will be definitely noticing the huge difference. Let me decrease the refresh rate. So 120 Hz, and I'm trying to decrease the refresh rate to 60 Hz. So now let me try to show you the difference what it is. As you can see friends, right now you're getting only 300 Hz touch sampling rate. So that is the reason you need to do every time minus. So whatever you get the value minus the refresh rate. As you can see, you're getting only 300 Hz. Now let me try to increase the refresh rate, and that value also will increase. As you can see friends, 120 Hz. And now you are getting the 360 Hz clearly. You can clearly see friends. Even if I select the auto select, let me try to select the auto select, what will happen? So even if you try to select the auto select, it will try to select only 60 Hz. We got to know clearly right now, as you can see friends. So overall in the Realme X7 Max, the higher touch sampling rate is at the moment I cannot experience. So this is the one problem which I'm having mainly with the Realme X7 Max. In the iQOO 7 device, there is no issues friends. I'm getting about 420 Hz, as you can see. So the company claims up to 300 Hz of touch sampling rate, and 420 I'm getting right now. So 420 minus 120, so 300 it's accurately close in the iQOO 7 also without any kind of problem, as you can clearly see friends. So in this testing you got to know that only the Realme X7 Max is not actually, it is what the company is claiming. That is the only one problem with the Realme X7 Max. So now let's move to the next test, which is another touch sampling test only, which will be detecting the number of touch inputs whenever you try to move your finger. So in this test, the phone which detects highest number of inputs, that is a clear winner. So for example, let me try to do the test. I'm trying to move the finger very fast, as you can see friends, very fast. As you can see the difference, I'm trying to move the finger very fast. So you can see, let me try to move the finger slowly right now, as you can see. Overall, the phone which has got the lowest touch sampling rate will perform like this, and the phone which has got the highest touch sampling rate will be very much smoother in this kind of straight line. So that is a quick difference friends by using this application, which we'll be getting to know. We need to quickly clear the screen, and let me try to show you. This is with I'm trying to do in slow motion and slightly speed and very speed and speed. As you can see the difference. And now let me try to clear the same thing, the screen. Slow, little bit fast, fast and fast. As you can see the difference, you can see the clear difference between both phones, how it is. So 180 Hz versus 240 Hz. You can clearly see, friends. And now let me need to clear the data here in this iQOO 7. Slow, little bit speed, and the speed, as you can see. And overall, friends, I think the touch sampling rate is slightly advantage while gaming. Most of the time, that is what I would definitely feel. While gaming, it makes a lot of difference. But overall, whatever the company is claiming in the Realme X7 Max, that is only the problem right now. So make sure to comment below, friends. What are your thoughts about the touch sampling rate? So what about the Realme X7 Max? What do you think? It has got 240 Hz or 360 Hz touch sampling rate? That is what I want to hear from all of you guys. So make sure to comment below, friends. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and don't forget to check the links in description for more information on all of the smartphones, so which will be really interesting for you in case if you're planning to buy the smartphones. You can use my links to buy the devices. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.